active and passive voice. Active voice. Here, the subject performs the action. He, she is the doer of the action. Or a verb is said to be an active voice when the subject performs the verb. Examples. My dog chased the black cat. Verb is chased, subject is dog, object is cat. Passive voice. Here, the subject receives the action that is expressed by the verb. Therefore, we can say that the verb is in passive when the subject of the verb is acted upon. Examples. The black cat was chased by my dog. Verb is was chased, subject is cat. Note, a sentence, in which the subject of the verb is the agent or doer of the action denoted by the verb, is said to be the active voice. A sentence in which the subject does not perform the action but is acted upon is said to be passive voice. Changing from active and passive. The object of the active verb becomes the subject of the passive verb. Only active transitive verbs which can have objects can be changed into passive. The subject of the active verb, or the agent, can be mentioned only with the help of a preposition, usually by or with. Here the agent becomes the object of the preposition used. An active transitive verb may have two objects, direct and indirect. Example. Saba gave Sana a book. Book is direct object, and Sana is the indirect object. Now, Sana was given a book by Saba. Here direct object, book, becomes the retained object. A book was given to Sana by Saba. Sana was given a book by Saba. A book was given to Sana by Saba. Depending upon the tense of the active verb, an appropriate passive form of the verb be has to be used with the past participle of the active verb to get the passive form. Example. Active, a thief stole my watch. Passive, my watch was stolen by a thief.